Yes, now, so we are going to do our workbook problems. We recapitulate what we did from our textbook. So here, in this performance A time, so first terms of division. So what we learn, terms, what are the terms? So divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder, these four terms we discuss, and properties of the divisions also we discuss. On the basis of these two, we are going to do question number 1 and question number 2 from our textbook. Okay. Then, so 676 divided by 0. If any number is divided by 0, so that value is undefined. That value is undefined. That value is not defined. So if the divisor is 0, then the value is undefined. This you remember. So when the divisor is 0, then that is undefined. Here 0 divided by anything means if any number is 0 is divided by any number, that answer is 0. Okay. Now when we get answer 1, so when the numbers are same, so here also 735. If divisor and quotient the both are same, then the answer is 1. So here divisor and dividend were same, then the quotient is 1. So now here the divisor is 1, the quotient is equal to what? The quotient is equal to dividend. The quotient is equal to dividend. The quotient is equal to the dividend. Okay. How it is? Here divisor is 1. 1 divided by any number. If suppose 4 is there. If 4 is there, 1 4s are 4. Then only we will get 4. So the dividend is equal to 4. The quotient is equal to dividend. The quotient is equal to dividend. If the dividend is 0, like this. If the dividend is 0, then quotient is also 0. Quotient is also 0. Here dividend is 0. If the dividend is 0, then whatever the quotient is also 0. Okay. Now find the dividends in this division. So we have to find the dividends. So dividends we have to find in this using multiplication facts. So how to find dividends? So we have to multiply this divisor with quotient. 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. That 24 we have to keep in this box using multiplication fact. If we multiply the divisor with quotient, then you will get dividend. Here also divisor with quotient, then you will get dividend. So what is our answer? 6. Then here dividend is given and quotient is given. So how to find divisor? Using division fact. How? 40 divided by 5. 5 8s are 40. Then what is our answer quotient? 8. Using division fact we have to do. Here 12 divided by 16. 12 divided by 96. 12 divided by 96. 12 8s are 96. So what is our divisor? 8. So this, if divisor is not given, using division fact we have to find. So if the dividend is not given, using multiplication fact we have to find dividend. Okay. Now performance time B. So in this division by 2-digit numbers, the first question is solve the divisions. 8595 divided by 62. So 62 divides 8592. Then first we have to take starting 2 digits. 85 is greater than 61. No need to go for one more digit. 65. 62 ones are 62. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus So we have to take next place, that is 9. 239. In 62 table we have to check. 62 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18. 62 3s are 62 3s are we have to take 186. Then 9 minus 6 3, take borrow, here it is 13. 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8 is 5. Now you take next place, that is 2. Then in 6 table when it is given, when we will get 853. 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. Means 6 8s are, means 62 8s are we have to check. 62 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 6 are 48. This is 49. 62 8s are 496. Take borrow from here, it is 12, it is 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. Take borrow from here, here 4, here 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 4 0. So this is our remainder. So this is our divisor, this is our dividend, this is our quotient, this is our remainder. Okay? This is our rough. Now here 48 divides 8746. 48 divides 8746. Here 87 is more than this 48. Then 48 ones are 48 we have to take. Then take borrow from here. Here we will get 7. That is 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is how much? That is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. 39. Now we have to take next 4. Then here 39. 394. When we will get in 4 table, when we will get 39? 4 9s are 36. So 48 9s are. Don't check 48 9s are. 48 8s are you have to check. 48 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 6. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. 384. 48 8s are. 48 8s are 384. Then 4 minus 4 0. 9 minus 8 1. Here 6 again we have to take. 48 2s are. 48 2s are. 8 2s are 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 96. 48 2s are 96. 6 minus 6 0. Here it is 10. 10 minus 9 1. It is 10. 10 is our remainder. 10 is our remainder. Okay. So one more question is there, that is your home assignment. Now divide and check our answer. So we have to divide it, we have to check our answer. Then first 6 divides 2589. Then first we have to take 2. It is a single digit number, we have to take 2. So it is lesser than this 6, then we have to take 24. 6 4s are 24. It is 25. 6 4s are 24, nearest value. Then minus means 1. Again we have to take 8. 6 3s are 18. Now after that we have to take 9. 6 1s are 6. Then answer is here. It is our remainder. Then check. So how to check? Here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus then dividend. What is the dividend here? 2189. 2589 is equal to divisor. What is the divisor? 6 is a divisor. What is the quotient? 431 plus what is the remainder? 3. Now we multiply 431 with 6. 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18 and 1 here. 6 4 are 24, 25 plus this remainder, that is 2586 plus 3, 89. 86 plus 3, 89. 2589. Here also 2589. In this way we have to check. We have to check our answer. First we have to divide, then after that using this formula we have to check. We have to check. Now 21 divides 345. 34 is greater than this 21. So no need to take next digit. 34. 21 ones are 21. 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. Now we have to take 5. In 21 table we have to check 21 6 6 1 6, 6 2 12. 21 6 21 6 126. Then minus. Then borrow from here. So here we get 2, here we get 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 is a remainder. 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. No need to take. Then check. How to check? Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend. What is the dividend? 345. Divisor. What is the divisor? 21. What is the quotient? 16. Plus what is the remainder? 9. Now 21 with 16. 16 ones are 16. 16 to the 32. 33. 33 plus 9. 333. 36 plus 9. 345. 345. 345 is equal to 345. So here LHS is equal to RHS. In this way we have to divide and we have to check our answer. Okay. Now here performance type C. So here division by 10, 100 and 1000. So we have to fill the blanks. Divided by 10, divided by 100, divided by 1000 is given. So when it is divided by 10, the last is a remainder. Here 0 is a remainder. So no need to take. The answer is 647. 647. Again here we are dividing with 10. The last place, ones place is a remainder. That remainder is 0. So after that what is left? 72. This is our answer. When divided by 100, last two places, ones and tens as a remainder, that is 0 0. So no need to take that one. 32 is our answer. When we divided by 1000, last three places are a remainder 0 0 0. All are zeros, no need to take. The quotient is 9. In this way we have to check and we have to write what is the quotient after dividing this. So just you have to check how many zeros are there. So that means zeros there. So just remove it and write. In ones place 0 is there, then that is a remainder is 0. Then other than that all are our quotients. Likewise 100 and 1000 also same. Then here using the rule of division, so divided by 10, 100 and 1000, find the quotient and remainder. First we have to write the quotient and also remainder. What is the quotient and what is the remainder? When we divided by 10, the last ones place is our remainder and remaining place is our quotient. What are the remaining places? 529. 529. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Here, so we are dividing with 0. We are dividing with 0 means last place. One's place is our remainder and the rest of the places is our quotient. 4576. This is our quotient. In the same way, here we are dividing with 100. So what is the quotient and what is the remainder? We have to write. We have to write quotient and remainder. quotient and remainder. So first remainder, here 2 zeros, in 100 we have 2 zeros, last two places are remainder, 57. So 57 is our remainder and rest of the places are quotient. And here, so dividing with 100, last two places remainder 76, rest of the places are quotient 800. And so dividing with 1000, last three places means 3 zeros, 3 places 1, 2, 3 till here, this is a remainder and rest of the places quotient. 98 is our quotient. And here, so dividing with 1000, so last three places our remainder, rest of the places are quotient. So in this way we have to write. So by 1000, if we divide it by 1000, last three places means ones, tens, 100. These three places are our remainder, rest of the places are quotient. If we divide it by 100, ones and tens places are remainder and rest of the places quotient. If we divide it by tens, then first ones place is our remainder and rest of the places are quotient. Okay, these three things you have to remember. Yes, now students, 4th class, standard 4th class. In division, performance time D. So first question, once you see here, first question. So in the performance D, 5th chapter in division in standard 4. So what is our first question? Find the dividend. So we have to find the dividend when the quotient is 386 and the divisor is 26. Then remainder also 1. So then what is the dividend? So find the value of the dividend. So dividend formula we have. So what is the formula for dividend? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the formula. So then what is the divisor here? Divisor value is given 26 into, what is the quotient? Quotient is 386. 386 and plus, what is the remainder? The remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Then now we multiply 386 with 26. Then how to multiply? Graph column 386 with 26. Now 386 we have to multiply with 26. That is 386 into 26 means 20 plus 6. 20 plus 6. Now according to distributive law, 386 into 20 in bracket, then after that place is there, 386 into 6 into 6. Now multiply 386 with 6. 386 with 6. 6 is 36. 6 here and 3 here. 6 8 is 48. 49, 50, 51. 1 here and 5 here. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 386 into 20 means 2 tens are 20. Plus, what is the product of this? 386 with 6? 2316. 2316. Now, 386 twos we have to find. 386 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16 plus 1, 17. 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7. 772 into 10 plus 2116. 772 multiply with 10. So 772 tens are 7720. 7720 20 plus 2316. Now 386 with 6. What is 386 with 6? 2316. Then 286 with 20. 286 with 20, 7720. 7720. Now add. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10,036 and plus 1. That is 10,037. This is our dividend. So in this way we have to find dividend using the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay.